Hi, I am Tunpal. Today we will discuss about transformation of sentences. What is called transformation of sentences? Transformation of sentences means changing of a sentence grammatically without changing its meanings. I write at first a sentence. Let's go with me. A little girl Aradha loves me very much. Loves me very much. Here we find a verb loves. It is finite verb. What is finite verb? Verb that can describe completely a sentence. It is called finite verb. Loves, the verb describe this sentence completely, so it is finite verb. There a finite verb in a sentence. Which type of sentence? This is simple sentence. I can define simple sentence like this. When a sentence contains a finite verb, it is called simple sentence. So write with me, it is simple sentence. Simple sentence. Okay, let's go number 2. I write a sentence, follow me. Aradha is a little girl and she loves me very much. Here we find two independent clauses in this sentence. Number 1, Aradha is a little girl. Aradha is a little girl. Number 2, she loves me very much. She loves me very much. Both are here independent clause. When a sentence contains two independent clause added by a coordinating word, it is called compound sentence. Here coordinating word and. Okay, here coordinating word and we called it conjunction. So it is compound sentence. Write with me, it is compound sentence. Compound sentence. Okay, let's go number 3. I write a sentence, follow me. Aradha, who is a little girl loves me very much. Very, very much. Aradha, love me very much. Aradha, who is a little girl, love me very much. Or you can write this sentence like this, or you can write this sentence like this. Aradha is a little girl who Aradha is a little girl who loves me very much. Loves me very much. In this sentence, we can find a dependent clause, and a independent clause. Independent clause here, Aradha is a little girl, and in the dependent clause is who loves me very much. Okay? Aradha is a little girl, it is independent clause. Who loves me very much, it is dependent clause. I write here independent clause. Independent clause. And I also write here dependent clause. Dependent clause. Okay. Aradha is a little girl. It is independent clause. Who loves me very much. It is dependent clause. Dependent clause also depend on independent clause, but independent clause itself do not depend on dependent clause. We also know independent clause another name is principal or main clause. Dependent clause another name is subclause or subordinate clause. Okay, so this sentence we find two clause, number one dependent clause and number one independent clause, number two dependent clause. Okay, so we can say what type of this sentence. This sentence is also we say complex sentence. What is called complex sentence? Complex sentence. When a sentence contain one or two independent clause and one or two dependent clause, it is called complex sentence. Okay, so you can write with me, it is complex sentence. Okay, correct. It is complex sentence. If you ask a question, number one sentence, turn into compound sentence. The answer is Aradha is a little girl and she loves me very much. It is answer compound sentence. If you ask to turn into compound sentence from number one, you can write number two line. Okay, and if you ask do as directed, turn into complex sentence from number one, so you can write Aradha is a little girl who loves me very much. Aradha is a little girl who loves me very much. Aradha is a little girl who loves me very much. Aradha is a little girl who loves me very much. So actually Actually, transformation of sentences, there are three types. Number one, simple sentence. Number two, compound sentence. And number three, complex sentence. How many types sentences are there? You can write number one, simple sentence. Number two, compound sentence. And number three, complex sentence. Today I have discussed three types of sentence here. If you have any question, please comment me. I will present with another class in front of you. Thanks watching my video. And I want to say, please subscribe my channel Aradhya Life Academy. If you subscribe my channel Aradhya Life Academy, notification comes in front of me and you can watch another video that I have published in my channel. Okay, thanks watching my video everybody. Thank you very much.